Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to search on TikTok. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our web tutorials and contents. Moving on to search on TikTok. Especially if you are a beginner or new user on TikTok, then how to search on TikTok. Watch this video till the end and learn the basic things to search on TikTok. So basically you do the search for new ideas and the trending videos or for the best videos that are available on TikTok. You do the search by going to your TikTok account, log into your account, and then at the bottom of the TikTok page you can see the icon that is like a search icon with discover. Simply tap on it. Then here in the search page you can see there's the search box, and then there are the famous hashtags that are trending on TikTok. You can scroll through the hashtag, and if you find the topic in the hashtag that is according to your interest, you can simply tap on the hashtag, and then the TikTok will display you the results of the hashtag. So these are the videos related to the hashtag, and you can scroll through the videos and find any good ideas to be creative and create your own TikTok video. You can also go back and tap on the search box at the top of your screen and enter any topic or related username that you want to see their profile of TikTok, or you want to see the videos regarding some topic. For example, enter a topic, and then the search page will display you the results of top videos related to your topic, and then you can scroll and watch the videos and get ideas. You can have fun watching the videos as well. And you can also see there are various options. The top means it will show you the top videos from TikTok related to your topic, and users means that it will take you to the users that post the dance videos, or if the name is the username, it will show you the users with the username. In the users, it will show you the pages or the TikTok profiles that contains the username that you have entered in the search. And in the video section, you will see the videos that are related to your topic. And in the sound section, you will see the library of TikTok where you will find music for your topic according to your topic. And in the hashtag, you will see the famous videos with the hashtag of your topic, and you can just simply scroll and search for the best hashtag you want and the videos you want to see regarding the hashtag. So in this way you can do the search on TikTok to get ideas and to watch more better videos that are available on TikTok. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. So do like our video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more upcoming helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.